Namaskaram, I'm Dr. Tejasvi, consultant neurologist. Today, let's talk about head injuries because not every knock on your head is nothing. So, what are the tiny head injuries that we usually ignore? Any small hitting on the door or hitting on the side wall, or even a small bump across any object for that matter. Usually, most of us will feel like, oh, it's just a hit. And more often than not, this just a hit ends up in some drastic consequences later. So, where does the head injury actually affect? So, head injury can happen from the scalp injury, the skull injury, and the brain injury itself. So, starting from scalp, there could be a small hematoma, that is a bleeding within the skin over the skull, which is mostly not dangerous, maybe slightly painful, may takes weeks to heal though, but it is still not that dangerous. But as long as it doesn't involve the skull and the brain, you're safe. But just in case, you're giving the benefit of doubt by thinking it might just be a bump and your skull or your brain has taken a hit, then it is something which is going to be very subtle but may have a lasting side effect. And beyond a certain time, there will be difficulty to treating as well. So, what all can happen inside the brain? So, starting from a basic concussion, it could be a skull bone fracture, it could be bleeding within the brain, it could be any edema involving the nerves to eyes, nerves to breathing, nerves to face, or anything where the bump has happened. So, not just a skin bump, it is also important to understand that the brain might also have taken a hit. So, how do we identify? So, just in case, if you have ever had a small hit or bump on your head, whether it be any minor injury as well, keep noticing for the next few weeks that if you're having any persistent headache or worsening headache, any sudden confusion, sudden personality change, you're being irritable suddenly out of the no blue, and just visual symptoms which are fluctuating or even persisting. So, if you're noticing any such subtle behavior or minor symptoms in your body, do not wait and get it evaluated as soon as possible, because more often than not, there might be a huge bleeding which will have a tiny window period. That is the only time where it can be treated. Beyond that, it may have a lasting damage. So, do not always ignore a little bump. Understand your brain and know that for the next few weeks, you should be watching for symptoms. It is not always nothing, and it is not always something that you should be ignoring. So make sure that you understand that bumps are not that easy and not that simple. And more importantly, please wear your helmets, because that is the only thing that is between your brain and a long lasting damage. So stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.